nothing to do. Why not learn about photosynthesis? It's the process that makes oxygen and glucose out of sunlight and H2O and CO2. This is how it works. Photosynthesis only has two components, light-dependent reaction and independent reaction. First, it begins with light-dependent that takes place in the thylakoid membrane for the system to source light from the sun, splitting H2O and releasing oxygen. Electron gets to an excited state, then goes on to electron transport chain, then passes to a lower energy state, converting ATP into ATP. Electron goes to PS1, goes from one pig into the next, till it hits the reaction center and is passed to electron acceptor, transferred to ferredoxin, then to NADP plus reductase, converting electron decided to create NADPH. If you are very bored and have nothing to do, why not learn about photosynthesis? It's the process that makes glucose for all green plants, using sunlight and H2O and CO2. Now for independent reaction. This reaction is also called the Calvin cycle. It occurs within the stroma of the chloroplast. This is the fuel from the last reaction, ATP and NADPH. To begin the cycle of the glucose production, the process only has three small sections: carbon fixation, reduction, regeneration. The reduction fixes CO2 to our UVB in a stable 6-C molecule, so it needs to break two GPs. ATP donates phosphate groups, and NADPH donates electrons, making glyceraldehyde, which plants can make into any carbon, like starch, cellulose, and glucose. If you are very bored and have nothing to do, why not learn about photosynthesis? It's the process that makes oxygen and glucose out of sunlight and H2O and CO2. Cell respiration, photosynthesis are connected. Products of one of the reactions of the other. Cell respiration, photosynthesis are connected. The equations are the exact opposite. If you are very bored and have nothing to do, why not learn about photosynthesis? It's the process that makes glucose for all green plants, using sunlight and H2O and CO2. H2O and CO2. H2O and CO2.